how to make money trading option on Robinhood. Now, making money trading option on Robinhood or any platform requires knowledge and a solid strategy as well. Now, first of all, you have to understand how options work on Robinhood. Now, options are contract that gives you the right but not the obligations to buy or sell the stock at a certain price before a certain date. And the way to make money with option is that means your profits stock price rises above your strike price plus the premium paid as well. Now, for example, buying a $50 call on a stock trading at $45, it goes to 60 your profit. So similarly, you could also go ahead and sell cash secure puts. That means get paid to agree to buy a stock at a lower price. If the stock price drops, you buy it at the risk or at the strike price minus the premium earned. You could also use the Robinhood built-in features, and you could also maximize profit and minimize loss as well. So these are some of the ways to make money trading options on Robinhood. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.